Today we are making prawns in red wine, which is a very delicious yet very quick and easy recipe. So let's see how to make this. Before that, I am Vijita. Welcome you to my channel #The World Menu. So without any delay, let's begin. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Add few oregano. This is to season the oil. Now add the deveined and cleaned prawns. Let the prawns fry on each side for 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Once the prawns are fried, remove the prawns and keep it aside. We'll continue in the same oil. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced garlic. Saute the garlic till it's nice and brown. Now add half cup of red wine. Please switch off the flame while adding the wine to avoid any catch of fire. Cook this for a couple of minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup of chicken stock. Bring it to boil for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of Sriracha sauce. Add some salt and sugar. Reduce the sauce to half. Cook for 7 minutes on low flame. Thereafter, add 1 teaspoon of Maida or all-purpose flour to thicken further. Finally, add half teaspoon of Chilli Flakes. Give it a nice mix, and our red wine sauce is ready to be served. Let's do the plating. Pour the delicious sauce. This can be served as a starter or as a side dish. Do try this delicious recipe. Hope you have liked this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Also request you to please like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.